An adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It will tell how, when, where, why, or how often. So let's take a look at your sentences to decide what adverbs we can find in them. Okay, the first one says, George dances gracefully. Now, if you'll notice, gracefully. Gracefully tells how about dances, how George danced. So that would be an adverb. The second one, Jane visited us yesterday. Yesterday is your adverb. It tells when she visited. Tells about the verb visited. So it is also an adverb. And the last one, put your books here. Here tells where you put the books. So that would be where you put. Describes the verb. So all those would be adverbs. One major clue to finding adverbs, other than asking the questions how, when, where, and how often, would be a lot of words that are adverbs end in ly. So if you see an ly word in a sentence, look closely, see if it answers your questions. Okay, now you try some adverbs. Earlier we talked about how to spot, or one easy way to spot an adverb. Remember to watch for your ly words. A lot of times words that end in ly will be adverbs. So let's just check them up here to see if maybe these have adverbs in them. The first one, quickly the player swung at the ball. Now you'll notice your ly word, quickly, tells how the player swung. So that is an adverb. The second one, Mark walked slowly to the office. Slowly tells how Mark walked. So those are both adverbs. Now, you do a few ly adverbs. As we study adverbs, we need to be aware of something called an intensifier. An intensifier is an adverb that defines the degree of an adjective or another adverb. They will come before the word that they describe. So let's take a look and see if we can find some intensifiers. Remember, they define the degree. They magnify the degree of something. Okay, the test was very hard. Now, if you'll notice, hard is an adjective telling about the test. Very tells the degree of how hard it was. So that is your adverb intensifier. All right, the candy was too hard to chew. Again, hard is your adjective, and too intensifies hard, telling how hard the candy was. So now you see if you can find intensifiers in the following sentences. Some adverbs make a statement negative. They take it to the negative instead of the positive. So let's look up here and look at some adverbs that make your statements negative. The first one says, I will never understand math. Well, you'll notice never is your negative word. It changes the whole thing, because if you left out never, you would be saying, I will understand. Never makes it a negative statement. So never is an adverb, and it describes will understand, which is your verb. In the second one, she will not attend the dance. Notice not is your adverb. It is a negative word, because if you took that out, you would say she will attend. This way, you're making it negative. Will attend is the verb, not describes will attend. It is your adverb. Sentence 3. Mary didn't like her new teacher. Alright, you'll notice this way not is a contraction, but it's still an adverb. You still need to underline just the NT. Takes it from she did like her teacher to she did not like her teacher. This is a negative statement. Alright, underline only the not, and it describes the verb did like. So not is your adverb. Now, you try some using these words.